How to delete all photos at once on iPhone. First of all, open the Photos application on your iPhone device. Then go to the Library section at the bottom left corner. Now the system displays all the photos and the videos that I have on my device. So to start deleting our photos, we're going to click on the Select button as shown on the screen and start tapping the photos and videos that you want to delete. You can individually select each one of these and press the Delete button right at the bottom, but it takes a lot of time. So instead of that, we will tap Select again and start tapping the photos and videos, but this time we will drag our finger along the photos and videos present in the iPhone device. Once you've selected everything, click on the Delete button shown on the screen and go ahead and delete the items. And that's it. This is how you can delete all photos at once on iPhone. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.